So here we're going to make our 3D point cloud. We're going to start by loading in the points using space as the separator between them. And here we can see the points for the front of the fire hydrant. Let's increase the point size a little there so you can see them better. So now we have to turn on show normal and then get it to compute the normals for these point sets. Going to use 100 for the neighbor number and flip the normals with respect. Well, first let's show you what happens if we don't. Here we sort of have normals going in a lot of different directions. If we flip them with respect to 0, 0, 0, we sort of get them all pointing into the fire hydrant there. So that's what we want to have our mesh come out a little bit better. Here's the view from inside the fire hydrant. You can see most of the normals are pointing inwards. So now let's go over and try to create this mesh surface of the front half of our fire hydrant. We're gonna hit apply, and initially it looks pretty ugly, but we actually, if we take a closer look, get some of the features of our fire hydrant here. So for starters, let's turn off show normals. So here's the front of our fire hydrant. Here's the wing on one side and here's the other. And here's the front. And we got a little bit of the top segment here as well. And it even was able to get a little bit of these chains coming down. We've got this bloblet right here. And on the sides where the chains were causing trouble, we've got stuff here and here. So it's not perfect, and we had some trouble getting the back half and the front half of the hydrant into the same file, but you can see we are getting some features of the fire hydrant in the mesh.